eruption was in 2000. This is example of Ratu volcano. Thank you.
Again, can you go back to the movie? Wow. It's beautiful. Where is it located?
Bali, Indonesia.
Where was the last time it erupted?
2000.
2000. So it is what? Active?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Let's clap for Prawan.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nene. Today I will present Stromboli volcano. The Stromboli volcano is in Sicilia, Italy. This is Roman volcano, and last eruption is 1934.
So how many years ago? More than almost 100 years ago, right? How many years ago? 1934. Can someone do the math? Kim, how many years ago? 1934. How many years? 2024 minus 1934. How many? 1. Oh, what's the answer? Kim? I know the answer. I want you to share.
อยากรู้อ่ะชอบพูดเล่นอะไรนะ
How many years ago? Why is it dormant? It's
Bang, how many years ago?
1934.
How many years?
It's 3, 4, 1930.
34
Oh, almost 100, but not yet 100.
แสดงว่ามัน
So it is a dormant volcano. Okay.
This is the Stromboli volcano.